Okay, hi dear Sagittarius. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal. Love reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 8 till the 14th of December 2025. Rules can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. As it's journal, it might or might not resonate. Okay. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. Let's see what we have. The cards are like flowing, getting out of my hands. Okay, let's see. मैं रात दिन ये दुआ करूं तेरे लिए मैं जीऊं मरूं I don't know आगे. Six of Wands, Nine of Cups, Queen of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the King of Wands. Okay, there's a lot of passion here. There's a lot of attraction, infatuation in the situation. Maybe both of you are very good together, like when it comes to physical intimacy thing. It's like both of you feel like wanting to make things work out, taking this situation to the next level, having some kind of success and victory, and it's kind of a wish fulfillment for you guys. But the problem here is that one of you is not ready for this situation to go ahead. Even if there's a lot of passion, there's a lot of attraction and pull, even if there's a desire to make things work out and make things go to the next level, like being in a very successful and like victorious kind of bond. This is kind of a wish fulfillment, but there is one of you who is kind of not participating in the situation in that manner. They're like one of you is trying to detach, or they are cold and often detached from the idea of moving forward in this direction. Of course they might be having their own reasons, but one of you is like, no, I can't go beyond this limit. This is the limit, this is the boundary, and I cannot go beyond this limit, because from my side this is the maximum that I can give. If it is good, okay. If it is not, then I think it's time to detach. Okay. So the mutual energy here is that both of you feel very, very happy about this connection. Both of you see this situation as wish fulfillment, that is at something that you were wishing for and hoping for in your life, and now it's there on the table. But again, one of you is not very sure, or they are not at all participating in the situation, like regarding making it go to the next level. The lesson here is, if you know the truth, why are you still going round and round in circles? Okay, stick to the reality, otherwise all you are going to get is hurt and pain in result. Okay, my god, this is sometimes so kind of heavy. So Sagittarius, the mutual energy here is of seeing each other, seeing this dynamic as a wish fulfillment from both the sides. The lesson here is, stick to the reality and the truth of the situation. Do not create castles in the air, and then feel like the universe is hurting you or something like that, because you know the truth already. Okay, let's see. Cool. Why the cards are not, yeah, coming in my hands today? They're not sticking in my hands today. They're like falling down again and again. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Sagis. We have the Ten of Cups. Yeah, this person is feeling like you can be the potential partner. You can be the one with whom they can see a future with, a family with, kids kind of deal with. This person is feeling like you can be the happily ever after kind of a person for them. Let me clarify before jumping into any more conclusions here, Sagis. We have the Five of Cups, Knight of Swords, Five of Swords. My goodness, this person is feeling it's very difficult for you to uh, think about this situation the way they are thinking about this situation. They feel like this is very painful to deal with this situation in this manner. They feel like running away from their emotions, running away from this situation. They feel like seeing you in their future, but for some reason it's not possible. It's stressing the hell out of them. It's making them feel very very depressed and sad and lonely, and they feel like running away somewhere where they are not going to feel anything about this situation. Wow, what is happening? I think this person feels like having something long term with you, but they are not able to do that for whatever reasons. They are like, I can't, but I want to. Okay. Let's see. What do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Sajis? Six of Wands. So from your side, you feel like making things work out as much as you can from your side. You don't feel like dropping the situation and not participating anymore. Let's clarify the Six of Wands here. This is a very confusing reading today. You guys are giving me mixed feelings, mixed energies from both the sides. We want it, but we cannot. Okay, let's see. We have the Justice, Queen of Wands, Eight of Wands. Right, you feel like doing the right thing here. Hmm? You feel like taking some kind of action in this direction, having back and forth communication, clearing the air with each other, and understanding each other's point of views and understanding each other's limitations, and moving forward in this direction, making things work out after talking it out with each other properly and honestly and doing the right thing. So you feel like doing the right thing in this direction by talking it out with your person as deeply as you can and making things work out after talking it out with your person and doing justice, being fair in this direction, in this situation. So you are the one who feels like making things work out in a fair way, in a way that it is going to serve justice to you and to them as well. And they are scared of moving forward in your direction. Okay, that's the deal here. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intention for the situation between you and them? Sagis. 10 of Wands. This person wants to drop this heavy and burden, some feelings and energy that they are going through because of this situation. They're very, very stressed out and they definitely want to get out of this being stressed out all the time about this situation kind of energy. Let's clarify the 10 of Wands, honey. We have the Star, the Sun, and the Two of Wands. So this person wants you to wait for the time when they are going to be completely over the stressful energies that they are going through. Maybe it's not because of this situation only. Maybe they are having trouble in their family also, career also. There are certain things that's going on in the background that you might not be very aware of. So this person wants you to give them the time so that they can be properly healed. They are going to be sorted. They are going to be very very clear about the path that they need to follow in this direction. They want you to wait and give them space and time for coming towards you in a very clear and healed kind of energy. This is what they want, because right now maybe one of you is pressurizing the other person to give some kind of answer or final answer or something, and the other person is not able to do that. So they need time and space in order to come forward with the proper answer and the clarity that you guys are seeking for. Take it where take which side is yours and the others and which is theirs, because the roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Sagis. World card. You just want a completion of a cycle. You just want to finish the unfinished business here. That could mean that you want a final answer from this person. If they are saying no, they cannot. You just want to move forward, and or the vice versa. Okay. Let's clarify the world. Vice versa means that if they are going to say yes, then you are going to plan for the next chapter. Okay. Cool. Cards are flying for you today, Sagittarius. We have the Knight of Pentacles, Page of Swords, and the Knight of Wands. Yeah, you're tired of waiting and waiting and waiting, giving them space and time and everything. Now you want some kind of action, you know, that action that is going to lead to the proper answer, that if it is a yes or if it is a no, whether you should keep it, whether you should make it go to the next level, or you should let it be, right? Like finish this chapter here only. Yeah, it's like you don't want to give this person any more time, any more space, because you already have gave them a lot of time. For some of you, it's happening from last 24 months, almost approximately 2 years. But definitely 1 year is something that is very very crucial in this subject, in this department. So you are done with this giving time and space and everything to this person. Now you want action. Now you want to close this chapter for good and move to the next one, whether it's a yes or no. Okay, that's actually a good thing. You want clarity, you want answer, and then you want to move forward, because this situation or this person is keeping you stuck in the situation from quite a long time now, and now you deserve the clarity and answer. You're tired, right? Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 14th of December, Sagis. King of Swords. It's like you cutting something or someone out of your life, out of your system for good, or at least trying to, because you're going to get the clarity and the answer that you're seeking for. I cannot keep the card King of Swords like more than 1 or 2 seconds on the camera, because YouTube have a problem with swords. Let's clarify this. We have the Three of Cups and the Fool card and the Moon. Yes, you are going to get the proper clarity, proper answer about this collaboration partnership, about this coming together, coming back together, and you are going to take the leap of faith to the next chapter. You are going to like take the risk of moving forward in your life, even if you are going to be scared of taking the next step. For most of you, you are going to get the proper answer of that they will not be able to come like with you. For most of you, but for some of you, it can be. It's like, okay, we are going to work on this situation, even if it is scary, even if it is something that's going to maybe uh, suck the blood out of us, not literally, just metamorphically. But let's go, let's do it. Okay. So the answer that you're seeking for, the clarity that you're seeking for, whether it's from their side or from your side, or it's a mutual energy, you guys are going to finally get it. It's going to make you feel very very scared and very insecure about the next step, but you guys are going to take it anyways. You guys are going to be like, okay, we have to do it, because enough is enough, we have to do it. Okay, so finally you are going to do it. So most of you, you are leaving a situation or person or thing behind for good this time. I think I'm saying this from for to you guys seventh, eighth time, but this time you're like, I'm very sure I'm leaving it behind. But for others of you, for some of you, it's like you are taking this situation with this person ahead, even if there are going to be lots of obstacles and challenges and fears and whatnot. You guys are like, okay, let's do it. Take it how it resonates with you according to your situation. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Let's see the guidance here, honey. Sagis. We have the Six of Wands, Two of Pentacles, and the Hanged Man. You guys have to, like, right now, all you guys have to do is you guys have to sit together. You guys have to take a step back, stand still, connect with each other properly. This on and off, in and out, we are together, we are not together, let's make it work out, let's leave it. It's not going to work out like this if you guys are going to forever, like, keep yourself forever stuck in a loop. It's never ending loop. So you guys have to stop somewhere. You guys have to talk to each other very very honestly. You guys have to come on the same page and understand the intensity, understanding the consequences of this loop that you are continuously running in, and understand what you should do and what you should not do in this direction in order to get the balance back in your life, Sagittarius. No one else is getting affected, no one else is getting harmed. This is your energy that is getting affected on a very very deeper level. So it's time for you to make the final choice, make the final decision, and stick to that decision. Okay, that's very very important for you guys. This never ending loop is not going to give you anything in return. That's, you have to take the charge of this situation in your hands, and you have to make the right choice, make the right decision, and stick to that decision of yours. Only then you will be able to break this cycle and move forward. Otherwise, it's a never ending loop, and it's going to like bother you only a lot. Cool. Cool. So let me answer one of your questions related to a love and relationship area. This portion also might or might not resonate with you guys. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds. If they are not enough, you can pause the video, and whenever you feel like, you can unpause and check the answer. Okay, so let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is unlikely. Unlikely is almost a no, I guess. Let me read from the guidebook. The unlikely card, while not an absolute no, does suggest that what you are asking about is unlikely to occur. However, it is a classic case of if anything changes, everything could change. The future is fluid, so make some changes and ask again. One of you have to, say yes or no to the situation because the other person is ready. So if they are going to say yes, everything is going to change. If they are going to say no, then I think it's a no. Take it how it resonates with you, honey. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.